Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Content Marketing and Advanced Studies, we'll discuss about how to target key influencers. Who are these key influencers, why we need to target them and how we can target them. This is precisely what we'll be discussing today. Let's get started with it. Who in the first place are these key influencers? Key influencers are individual professionals, industry experts and expert bloggers in any particular niche, industry or sector. There are certain key influencers who are basically the industry experts or expert bloggers who have expertise, the skills, the experience and the exposure in a one particular topic in particular domain, and they are basically the key influencers. Their opinion reviews are closely read and followed across multiple platforms including blogs and social media. Their reviews, their opinions and their thought process is closely followed by multiple people across multiple industries on social media, on blogs and various other platforms. Why they are actually followed? Why they make so much of a difference? What is that in them that is their reviews are so important? Why they are followed? They are industry and niche experts. They have certain expertise, they have certain experience and their words, their voice matters. Key influences or opinion matters. Their opinion matters. What happens is, in an internet driven society, there are multiple users and flocking on social media, on blogs, on websites and landing pages. There are millions and billions of people. They are actually looking for certain requirements. They have certain needs and the necessities. They want to find a solution to their problem and they want to buy certain products. When they want to buy certain products, they are looking for solutions. They actually read, review and take the opinion of these experts, the key influencers, and their opinion matters. When they say this particular product from this particular company is launched so and this product, the features of this product are such, their benefits are such that, and they actually help you in this way. And when they write a review like that, and that review is taken very seriously by the people because they are industry experts. They have expertise, the skills to tell you what to buy and what to not to buy and which product is how good and which product is not that so good. This is precisely the reason why the influencers play a very vital and important role in an internet driven society. They are closely followed, their opinion is closely followed, they are most sought of readers, their opinion matters and they play a very important role in actually discussing, dissecting every piece of information as far as any product or a solution out there in the market is concerned. Their word is taken very seriously and they matter a lot, and this is precisely the reason why most of the people take reviews from the experts very seriously. Their reviews are read and followed and their recommendations makes a lot of difference. Their recommendations, if they say this is the product that is launched by this company, this product offers this many features and this product has this many features, people follow that, people take that very seriously, and this is precisely the reason why the key influencers make a lot of difference. And we need to target, companies mostly target key influencers to actually take them on board and get the products reviewed by them and when the products are launched in the market. How actually you can target these key influencers? Use tools such as BuzzSumo to identify the influencers. When you know what kind of product or a service that you are launching or you have out there in the market, you can actually identify the key influencers related with that particular product on various tools such as BuzzSumo. Follow them on social media. When you identify those key influencers related to the kind of product that you have and their expertise, these key influencers reputation has that in that, their skills have that in that, then follow those key influencers on social media. Like, retweet and comment on their posts. They have their pages, they are there on social media and actually they have their blogs. Go to their blogs, go to their Facebook page, go to their Twitter page and follow them, like them and retweet and comment on those blog posts, so that you can actually closely monitor what they are doing, how they are doing, so that you can stay in touch with them. Identify the content posted and shared. Identify the content they are posting, what is the content they are posting, what kind of product reviews they are giving, and what kind of comment they are making, what kind of articles they are writing, and what kind of reviews they are posting on social media and blogs. Engage and interact with them. When you identify, when you follow, then the next step is to engage with them, interact with them, communicate with them, then interview them and share their content. When you interact and communicate with them, you can actually interview them, talk to them, and talk to them about the kind of product that you are launching, and interview them. Their interviews matter a lot, because people read their interviews, they want to know what is their opinion, and post these interviews on the blogs, on social media, on various other platforms. Let influence guest blog on your blogs. Let them come, invite them on your blog to guest blog, so that you can actually have them on board, the key influencers. When you have the key influencers on board related to the kind of products and services you are offering, and when they actually guest blog on your blogs, that matters a lot. That adds credibility, that adds value for your blog, because the kind of product that you have, the kind of services you have, when you have the key influencers on board, and that plays a very important and vital role in the minds of the customers, of your prospective customers. Because when the prospective customers see that this key influencer is associated with your company, with your business, and they are actually interacting and communicating with you, it means your products and your services have certain value, certain quality, and that kind of confidence among your prospective customers help you drive your business. And this is precisely the reason why the key influencers matter a lot in the market, and they need to be tapped. In this session, what we have seen in this video is who are key influencers, why target the key influencers, and how to target the key influencers. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.